Hello everybody, my name is Jimmy. Does anybody remember playing Bear? Yeah, you know, the bear game where the evil teddy bear, goes and catch people. It's a little creepy, but yeah, it's a fun game. I remember recording that, a few days ago. Actually, no, it was actually uploaded 1 year ago, November of 2019. This was some weird cringe, but whatever. That's the bear, obviously. Well, until everyone saw this image, well, Sam and Bear, well, this is the actual bear, and I guess everyone wished for one, especially me, because I'm a big old bear fan. Yeah, it is that fun. Bear is cool. Yeah, I love him. But boy, I got news for you. You can actually make your own bear plush. I actually did it. Let me go get it. Actually, let me go get it. Where'd he go? There he is. Okay. Surprise! This is my custom bear plush. It's not really plush. It's made out of paper. And I guess everyone's gonna ask in the comments, "Oh, I want a bear plush too. I want one." Well, guys, I got some news for you. You could actually make your own paper bear plush. I'll show you some steps how to make your own custom bear plush. You can do the same thing when you want to make some other plushies as well. So, let's get started making the bear plushie. Boy, here are steps of making your bear plush. First, you need tape. After that, you need coloring things like markers, coloring pencils, or maybe crayons. After that, you may need pipe cleaners. You need your scissors. Oh, I forgot more pipe cleaners. You also need some paper. That's not my school notebook. I meant they let me keep it. I don't know. They just bought it. And maybe sometimes you could use some neon paper for other bear skins. First, we're going to draw the head of the bear. So it's that simple and easy. You just draw the head. So let's do it. There we go. Now look at him. Now let's go. Wait a minute. We forgot the nose. There we go. We might as well draw the head, but we're not even done yet. We need to draw something else. After that, you want to make the head. The back head, actually. That is the worst back head ever in my life. That looks really dumb. After that, get out your scroopy scissors. Make sure you get parent supervision, but don't worry, because I'm an actual trained professional. I know how to use scissors. There we go, we got the head. Now the next part is to flip it over, and we're going to do this other part. After that, you want to get this tape, stick it on the bear. Well, I'm choosing the back, but you can choose the front as well if you want. There we go. Now we know where to get the bear's head. Then do that. We got the bear's head. Now wait a minute. We still need more. And if you want, you can color it, but I'm too lazy. Yep, I'll just leave him white. But that bear, he's in color now. He died. After that, you want to get some paper and you want to draw the body of the bear. There we go. I draw the bear's body. Now that's going to be perfect for the bear head, as he's right there and he has no body. And the other bear, rest in peace him. I yeeted him and he's dead. Yeah, poor bear. After that, you want to draw the arms. Well, you gotta do the same thing as the bear. The bear's head. Well, probably arms and legs, but you can start with anything you want. I made the head of the bear, so we got another paper. We can draw other limbs. Yeah. Now there we go. I drew the arms of the bear, and the legs of the bear. Now we gotta combine it with the only bear head. Well, whatever. After that, get out your scissors. You want to cut out the body and the arms and legs. Well, that's the arms and that's the legs. So let's do it. After that, you cut out all the limbs, and then you're gonna get out your sticky tape and do the same thing with the head. After that, you completed all your limbs, and now it's time for the body, where we get out the body, and yep, this is gonna be really crazy. After that, you want to put a tape right there in the middle. That's to connect to the other body. After that, look at that. That is the body for the limbs. So let's do that. So first, how we do this is like making Mr. Potato. First, get out your bare leg, stick it on there. Then get the other leg and stick it on there. Now we assemble the arms. Now it's time for the arms. Put the arm right there. And get the other arm. And do that. And then get the head. And then you're gonna put it right here. And then, oh wait, let's try again, like that. And then 1, 2, 3. Wait, let me do something. I had to fix my bear. Actually, I didn't. Now let's try. 3, 2, 1. Stick. Now we create. Oh my God, the head is decapitated. There we go. We completed our teddy bear from Bear of That looks cute, right? Wow, look at that cute teddy bear. He looks so thick. Oh, so I know what that means. I got 2. Now remember not to play too rough with your teddy bears, otherwise they're gonna get ripped. And this is crazy. This is so fun, guys. Best of all, you can even use some of Bear's alternate skins, and then you can make some other skins. So yep, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video, and I'll make clones of these for my YouTube partners or pals. Yep, I will make them. And I hope this was useful for you guys. And make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out any content. So yep, guys, I'll see you in another video, and bye. And say bye-bye to these, and also say bye-bye to these thick bears.